What's up, guys? We're making cheesy garlic bread, and we have to roast our garlic. Oh, that's gross looking, isn't it? Well, you want to know what else is gross? On August 28th, 1980, a motorcade carrying the American ambassador to Lebanon, John Gunther Dean, was ambushed by men with automatic rifles and rocket launchers. The shootout left one car completely destroyed. One of Dean's bodyguards sprayed the assassins with automatic fire, and they dropped their weapons and fled. Dean, who was also accompanied by his wife and daughter, escaped alive and unharmed. Bulletproof plastic windows had saved Dean's life. After the attack, Dean, through Lebanese Chief of Intelligence Johnny Abdo, recovered the weapons, which were revealed to be American light anti-tank weapons. Through their serial numbers, Dean was shocked to discover that the weapons had been sold to Israel in 1974. The group that claimed responsibility was the Front for the Liberation of Lebanon from Foreigners, ostensibly a Christian terrorist organization. But in 2018, it was revealed by Israeli journalist Ronald Bergman that the group was created by Meir Dagan of the Israeli Defense Forces, that Israel ran the quote fictitious group from 1980 to 1983. Undoubtedly using a proxy, our ally Israel had tried to kill me. Dean was later forced into receiving psychiatric treatment where he was deemed mentally incapacitated and forced into retirement, a diagnosis later confirmed to be false.